you guys how to get your database into command, whether that be on an Excel sheet or if you have them in your Google contacts. There's two efficient ways to do that, so I'll show you both of those today. The very first thing you want to do is log into command, and the link for that is agent.kw.com. Right, and once you're logged in, you're going to go over to the contacts applet, and if you don't know which one that is, you can click on this red KW on the top left, and it'll pull the titles for each of those applets. So we're going to go into contacts here. Right, and once that loads, you'll see you have a couple options here. If you want to manually add one by one, you can click on add contact, and you'll be able to type in each contact in detail, all their information, along with adding any tags. If they were a buyer, you can type that in there as well and hit create custom tag, or use the built-in one that's right here. Right, you can X out of there. If you had an Excel sheet with hundreds of contacts that you wanted to upload all at once, you can do that as well using this import button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on import, and you see this is where I'll drag and drop the file eventually when I'm finished. However, for now, I'm going to click on download, and that's going to give me the template I need to be able to upload my contacts. Right, so some of you guys may already have an Excel sheet with all of your contacts in there. What you need to do is format that Excel spreadsheet to match commands. Right, so let me see if I can go ahead and open that. And okay, so I guess I can't share that screen, but this is where you'll get that download file. You'll see all the columns: first name, middle name, last name, street address, city, state, postal code, and that's where you'll fill in all the information column by column. And once you upload that into command, right into here, then all your contacts will load into your database here. So if I X out of that, I want to show you guys now how to upload all of your contacts from Google, and it's actually a pretty simple process. What I'm going to do now is click on my name on the top right here, which is Demo MC946. It should say your name here. I'm going to go into settings. Right, and if I scroll down, you'll see that on this first page here in settings, there's under productivity tab, there is a app called PySync. So what I'm going to do is hit on connect account, and through PySync you guys get one free sync, meaning if you guys use a different system, a different CRM, and you wanted to pull all the contacts from there, as long as that system is supported by here, you'll get one free one. And any additional platforms you may use, if you're using multiple CRMs, you'll have to pay additional for that, anything more than that first free one. So I'm going to scroll down and accept the terms and conditions. I accept. All right, and then I'll see all the different apps that I can pull my contacts from. So the first one is Google Contacts. So that's the one we're going to be working with today, but you'll see there's a bunch of them in here that you can connect as well. So I'm going to click on Google Contacts. And it's going to, if I'm logged in on another tab, if I had Google open and was in my Google account, I can click authorize. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to connect all of my contacts into command. Right, so it'll ask me, it's opening on another screen, but it's going to ask me which account I want to pull from. I have multiple Gmail accounts, so you're going to want to choose whichever one has all the contacts you want to download from. You're going to log into that, and then it's basically going to pull up a form. Let me see if I can actually do it. One second. And you're going to create the rules here. So if a contact is in Google Contacts, I can sync it between Google Contacts and KW Command. And then if the contact is in Command, it will sync two ways between Command and Google. So, all right, so that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions.